Hello, welcome to Yummy Ole. Today, pollo al ajillo or chicken with garlic. The ingredients: half chicken chopped into pieces. This case is the back part of the chicken. 4 pieces of garlic, salt, and a little bit of olive oil. First step, turn on the fire, medium level. Now we are going to heat the pan. We need some drops of olive oil, but just a little, okay? Now it's time to drop the chicken into the pan. The idea is to drop with the skin. The skin, you know that is a little bit oily, so for this reason we don't use olive oil. Now we are going to add some salt. What we want to get is the skin of the chicken get a brown color because it's going to be crispy. Meanwhile, we are going to cut the pieces of garlic. After cutting the garlic, it's important to wash your hand. Just put the finger below the water, like 5 seconds, and it's going to be enough to avoid the smell of the garlic. Okay, now we are going to check the chicken. The skin is getting brown, but we like a little bit more toasted. 5 minutes ago we started frying the chicken, and it's important not to move all the time, because what we want is to get brown, brown color in both sides. For me, the skin is the most important to get brown. Sometimes the heat is not uniform around all the surface of the pan, so be aware that there are pieces of chicken that cook more quickly. You have to move the chicken around the pan for the reason that I said before. It's time to drop the garlic. We are going to cook the chicken 5 minutes more. We are going to cover. Okay, after 5 minutes, this is the result. The chicken is well done outside and inside. It's going to be crispy. If you think that it's necessary to cook few minutes more, you can do it, but be careful not to burn the garlic. Okay, so it's time to turn off the fire. We will wait 5 minutes more without fire in the pan. It's time to serve. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. You will find more recipes in our website www.yummyole.com. Gracias y buen provecho.